Shopify Prestige theme customization complete tutorial. If you are looking for this type of video, in which you will get all the information that how will you be able to customize website using the Prestige, a beautiful Shopify theme, a very nice features just like this product hotspot. The model is reading the product, and there is an option to view this product. If I scroll down, our timer is running to create an urgency and very nice features and two color variations of a product showing with a link. All this will be explained in this single video. And if I scroll down, there is an option for a featured product and many other features. You can add it according to your business requirement. But in this video, I will explain all the sections so that you will get information how you will be able to customize this theme. If I scroll down, there is a beautiful Instagram section, the trust pages, and then at last the footer section. I will explain all the parts like the homepage customization, the header and the navigation setup, the mega menu setup, and the product page customization. And then we will proceed towards the collection page, footer customization. We will do some global settings. I will also explain how you can utilize AI to customize the Prestige theme or undertake any help from Shopify sidekick or in this video. And then finally, the mobile optimization, the blog post style, all will be explained in this single video. And if you are looking to build all your website on this using the Prestige theme, you can hire our agency services. I will leave its link in the description. And if I scroll down, there are basically some presets that we can install to our Shopify theme. Right now, this preset is selected, so it will add all these sections like this. All the sections that are listed on this preset demo website will be added over on our Shopify store. But if I scroll down and you select this version of the Prestige theme and then click on this view demo, and it will show the demo website with all the sections. Like we said, you can add this type of sections to your Shopify store. Then you have to select this demo website. So then it will add all these sections by default to your theme. So if I scroll down, let me scroll down and let's select this one. We will install this demo version of the website and then customize this according to this demo website. So first thing first, let's head over to Shopify admin and we can start right away. So this is our Shopify admin. What I have to do is I have scroll down. There is an option for visit theme store. Click on it. And then you have to search this theme from here, like just type Prestige theme and it will open this theme and then click on this try theme. Keep in mind that this theme is a paid theme. We are able to install its trial version for our Shopify store. You are able to edit this theme, customize this theme, but you are not able to publish this theme to your customers. You are only able to publish this to your customers once you wait for this theme. So let me scroll down. There is an option for edit theme, but there is no option for publish theme unless you buy it. So let's customize this theme. Click on this edit theme button. And once I click the edit theme button, it will open the theme customization settings. And it has already imported all these preset or all these sections that are that we see on our demo website. This is the demo website. All the sections that are listed over here has already been imported to our this trial version of the Prestige theme. So let me scroll up and let me add the video part. I have already edited, so do not get worried. I will explain how I have added this video later. Let me close this one and start explaining to you. At left side, there is an configuration settings from where we are able to select the sections. Just like at top, this is a countdown timer. It's listed over here. And the header part, like this one, is listed over here. And if I scroll down, there is an option for slideshow. If I click on it, this is the slideshow section. And we see at right side, once I click any section, at right side, it opens the customization settings at the right side. Just like this one, this section is customized from the right side. And if I select this section, image with text overlay, its customization settings will get opened at right side. And let me scroll to the top. Here we have three options. We can view the mobile view. This is an option to show the mobile version of the website. And if I click it again, it shows the desktop version. From here, we are able to activate the inspector. Once it's activated, like if you do not know that where I am able to customize this section, simply activate this inspector and click on that part, and it will simply open its customization settings at right side. So this is very easy, a super easy thing that if you do not know that which section you want, that if you want to customize this section, simply click it and it will open its settings at the right side. So let's scroll to the top, and the last option we have is that open sidekick. This is a Shopify AI. If you still do not have any like you won't find any section, or you need have any help, like help me add the video to slideshow and hit the enter button. This is a Shopify AI recently launched by Shopify. So this way you are able to get all the information or all the help. It's pretty easy. So you can plug and play with it to customize your theme as well. So the first thing first, let's move to the header section and we will customize it. So let me scroll to the top. Let me close this all these settings, and at the top there is an option for the header group. If I click this countdown timer, it's at the very top, and from here we are able to let me select this countdown timer now. Now it's selected, and from at the top we are able to select the color scheme, and from here we are able to change the content like this one. We are able to add this link as like, let me change it to buy now. It gets updated over here. And if I scroll down, we can assign a link to it. We can set the expiration date, like when your date countdown timer will get expired. You can set it, but it should be in this form, right? So these are pretty easy settings. You can customize it. If I click on this header button, it will ask for the color scheme again. I will tell you later how you can update the color schemes later. If I scroll down, it's asking for that option for enable sticky header. Like if I scroll down, that one, like it's sticky. Do you see the header is moving with the scroll? So this is basically the sticky header option. We can hide it on scroll. And if I scroll down, there are a few other options like reduce height on desktop, but the height is exactly fine. So we will keep it as default. So if I remove this logo option, it will ask for an image to add. For instance, let me add any image so that our logo gets updated. Let me add this one, select this one and hit the done button. So it will add the logo over here. And if I scroll down, it's asking for the logo width. From here, I am able to change the logo width. And if I switch to the mobile view, and from here, I am able to adjust the mobile image width. So it's pretty easy. You can manage it yourself. If I scroll down, it's asking for the main menu, the mobile menu. You can change the menu settings, the customer settings, customer account setting. This is the customer account settings. If I scroll down, there is an option for like, do you want to show the drop down items on hover or on click? Basically, this is bit technical. Like if I click on hover on it, it already opens the drop down menu. But if I select this option to click, and then I have to click this men button or men navigation link, then it will open the drop down menu. So it's pretty easy to manage, but I would suggest to give it power. If I scroll down, it's asking for the font adjustment, some of the color navigation settings, and here it's asking for the sidebar navigation and its color scheme. Like this is the mobile button. If I open this, it's the sidebar navigation color scheme. Let's select this one, and then it will change the color scheme of my mobile menu. Let me close this one, switch back to mobile desktop option and hit the save button. And in few other options, like you are able to add the dividers to your mobile menu. Let me enable this and show the divider lines are showing. And let's scroll down. There are few more options. Like on desktop, we are able to change the alignment of the logo, the menu, and these navigational buttons. And let me scroll down. There is an option to show country region, some language settings. If you enable this, it will start showing over here, but you have to firstly manage it or add it from the market settings, like here. So let me scroll down. It's asking for an logo image. Right now, if you do not assign a logo image over here, it will show the logo image that we have already added over here. But if you want to show a different image on this header and a different image on the transparent header, you can assign it over here. So let's proceed further to the mega menu section. Oh, okay, so this is the basically the demo website. Let me scroll to the top, and if I am this main version, a nice mega menu is showing. So let's move back to our website. And if I scroll to our menu navigation right now, it's not a mega menu. So what we have to do is we have to click on this add mega menu button. Once I click it, it will add the mega menu. Here it's asking that where do you want to apply the mega menu. So simply add menu to it and it will apply the mega menu to the menu. So I have already created my menu. This is my first level menu. This is second level and this is third level menu. What I have to do is let me show you what I have set in my menu. Click on this menu, main menu, and this is my main menu. Like the men and then the bags and under bag, there is a third level menu with all the links over there. Similarly for the small leather goods and popular colors, exactly similar to this version. But right now we will add some images to our mega menu to make it exactly like the demo version. Let's scroll down and add a few options. Like for an instance, let me select this one, add the heading to it, bags, and if I say now scroll down, there is an option to add a second image. Let me choose this one, select, and then add an heading like bags. I am just writing any name so that just for the demonstration purpose. And here we are able to add the text similar to this one. Or like if this is a text is added, and similarly, we are able to add the text over here and then once this image is clicked, it will proceed towards that link. Keep in mind that you have added the same size images. That's why it's not showing correctly. Whereas on the demo version, the size of the images are same. That's why it's showing perfect alignment. Now let's proceed to our first section, which is slideshow section. Other than the header, this is the slideshow section, which is pretty nice. And let me hit this save button to save our mega menu. Okay, so let's scroll down. There is an option for the slideshow section. Click on it, and it will open the slideshow settings. So it's asking for that. Do you want to allow the transparent header? If I disallow it, it will switch back to the uh, fixed header, which is not transparent. But if I activate, it will make the header transparent. You can set it according to your business requirements. It's asking for the image feed, like some show initial transition and some settings that you can manage it through. So like, do you want to auto rotate the slides? You can change the slides that when after how many seconds your slideshow make rotation some color settings. And if I see there is an option for add a block. I have already created one video block. If I click this video block, it will open its customization settings at the right side. Uh, we are able to add the video over here, and for the mobile version, we are have an option to add the mobile video as well. If you want to show a different video on mobile, you have to assign it over here. Then it will show a different video on mobile and a different video on desktop as well. Okay, similarly for this image, you have an option to add the image on the mobile version and a different image on the desktop version. Let me add this for an instance. And on the mobile version, I just select this one. I'm just explaining it for a demonstration purpose. So right now we have this image. And if I switch to the mobile version and take it the save button, it show a different image. So go back to the video version. Okay, so this is the video. And if I scroll down, you are able to get just this settings for the heading, subheading. It is pretty easy. You are able to make some alignments like where do you want to show. Uh, so right now it's showing at the top center. If I select this to top left, the alignment of the text gets at the top left. And if I scroll down, some other option like do you want to add some button over there? Just add a soft now button with your product link. So that once you user get click to this button, it will navigate it to the Shopify product page. Some color settings, you are able to set the color settings. And if you want to add another button, just like this one, it will show another button over there. It will navigate to all the products or whatever link you want to add. You can add it over here. Okay, so this is similarly, you are able to make adjustment for your image settings. Mainly, this is pretty easy. You are just able to just have to add the images and then add some headings, and then the button and some color adjustment. So this is pretty same on each section. So I will not explain it on all the section because this will make the video long. Okay, hit the save button and let's proceed to the second section, which is featured collection. So if I scroll down, there is an option for featured collection similar to this one, the demo website. We are able to add the heading as told previously, that from here you are able to adjust its heading, some of the settings like separate section with border, hide product information, pretty easy to manage some of the scheme setting. And here we are able to assign this collection. I have already created collections. So in the collection has been added. And similarly for the men, we are able to add collection for the men and the products. So you want to show if you want to show products more like more than eight, you have to increase it from here. And if you want to show only two products, it will now showing the two products easily manageable. You can do it yourself. So let's proceed to the next section, which is image with text overlay. Basically, this is the image with text overlay section. It's already added. So let's select this image. Now, I think just for the demonstration purpose, I have selected this one and click on this edit. Okay, so the image has been added for a mobile version. You can assign a different image as told previously. It's pretty same. And if this section is at top, there is an option to add allow header transparent. So just let me pull it to the top. Okay, so now this section image with text overlay is at top, but the header is not transparent. If I enable this option, it makes the header transparent. So it's really easy to manage. I have already explained it. Okay, so I have moved this image with text overlay section to its correct position again. Let me open this. And if I scroll down, there is an option for like reveal image on scroll. This is a pretty good animation effect. So it's already enabled. Keep it enabled. I scroll down, it's asking for some content alignment like on desktop, bottom right. It's saying that the format alignment and some color settings. Pretty easy to manage. You can manage it yourself. And from here, we are able to add a block of heading, paragraph, the button code, the link. All this has been added already. You can change this to text. You are able to change the heading like our box backpack, and you are able to change the button and assign a link to it and for any product. So you are able to change the style of the button. It's pretty easy to manage. You can plug and play it. Okay, so the next section we will explain is the called the rich text. It's basically this section. If I scroll down this section, we will add a similar section to this part. If I click on this rich text, it's asking for an the text over here, the two links. You are able to add that change the heading or you are able to change its link from here, like our story and link option from here, and the link for the commitments, or you can and change it according to your brand. If I click on this net block, it will add an image. So for an instance, it has a good bag image already added. You have to select the image and upload the bag image. For an instance, let me add this image. So to show you that we are able to add an image on demo website, it has added in this bag icon. You can add it once. So it's really easy to manage. If I scroll down, there is an option for the media grid. We are able to adjust this color scheme from here. We can separate this section with border. If I enable it, we see it will add a border. This better border has been added and we are able to adjust the section width. Like from here, we are able to adjust it to like full width. The section gets full width. Some spacing option, the subheading, heading, the content you can add it or plug and play with it. It will add the contents to your section. Okay, if I scroll down, there is an option for the end block. If I click on it, it's asking for adding a image or a video. So let's check what has been added on the Thanks demo website. It has only added three images. So simply add an image for an instance. Let me select this one. For the second one, let's select this one. And for the third one, let's select this one. Okay, one thing I want to explain is that there is an option for like column width. Here you can make any adjustments according to your images and according to your grade. If I set it to 50%, so like the first image, which is human image, it's already taking 77% space. And if I set this one to 50%, there is not enough space. That's why it has moved this third image to the third row. Okay, might be it's really difficult for you to understand. So let's set it. It's go back. So just keep it by default, and you can plug and play with it to get information. If I scroll down, it's asking for the compound Like how many rows do you want to add to this section? If I keep it to two, right now there are rows, one row and the second one. And you are also able to customize this one of it. So if I scroll down, it's asking for the heading, the content, and then the button link, same as for the other sections. So just close it and let's move to the next part, which is scrolling content. This is the scrolling part. And from here, we are able to make the adjustments like this. This content has already been added, but what's missing is that there is an image of the bag should be there. So just select the image. Let's select this one. If I add this one, it shows the image just like the demo website. So it's pretty easy to manage. Similarly, another scrolling content. This is another one added on our demo and then on our Shopify theme as well. So if I scroll down, which there is another section called featured collection, which I have already explained here. Like featured collection, this is pretty same section. You can add collections to it. Let me add it for an instance. Okay, so the collection has been added. If I scroll down, it's a video section, which is a video section. You can add any video. Similarly, a different video for the mobile version and a different video for a desktop version. If you have not added a different video for mobile version, it will place the desktop version video. And if I scroll to the top, it's asking for the autoplay. If I enable this, the video will autoplay. And if you want to show video controls or disable this one, right now, no video controls are fine. But if I enable it, it shows the video control. I am able to pause it. I am able to mute it or tweak it. Okay, so if I scroll down, it's asking for the if your video is on the YouTube, simply add its link over to and from here we are able to change the color according to your video. If your video is with dark background, just need to show up the color, make the color white, so it's look good. And here there is an option to add a subheading, the play button. You can change it according to your requirement. Now let's move to the next section, which is called Shop the Nook section. Click on it and it will open your setting at right side. Let's move to this demo website. This is basically the section called Shop the Nook, where a model wearing the product here is listed, and if the product is listed at the right side, the model wearing or having a product at left side. So what we have to do is go back to this shop the look section. There is an option to customize its color scheme, and we can set the subheading, this heading, and add the content. It will show over here. And if I scroll down, there is an option to add a look. Okay, so right now three looks has been added, which will create upon clicking on this navigational buttons. So let me delete the two and keep only one for now. We see the navigational buttons got deleted. Okay, so right now let's add an image. I have already downloaded this image. So let's add it. The image has been added. Now we are able to move this hotspot points to our product very easily. Okay, this in from this settings we are able to change its color. Right now, if I set this red color, the color has been changed. Switch it back to the white. And there is three options: product one, product two, and product three. This one is for product one, product two, or product three. If you will only add product one, like let me select a bag product. This for an instance, just select this one. I have added this product. For example, this model is wearing this product, so I have to move this hotspot point to this bag. So what I have to do is I have to make some adjustments like horizontal position. The horizontal position is correct. It's now horizontally correct. Now I have to set the vertical position from there. Okay, so now the hotspot is at correct point. Once the user click on it, it will navigate to the product page, or once user click on this view product model, it will navigate to this product. So if you have any other product, like if the model is wearing the jacket, you can assign this jacket to second product that adjust the hotspot point. It will add another hotspot. For instance, just select this product, and this hotspot has been added. The previous one relies at the place that we have set here. Okay, so this is our tutorial. Anyway, if you can duplicate it, it will add another banner. If you scroll down, it shows another image. Let me change this image. Okay, for instance, just add this one. Okay, similarly, we are able to adjust the its hotspots, points, and show the correct product using this link. Okay, so this is quite easy and customizable. You can customize it. If you are looking for any type of help, you can hire our agency and we can help you build this complete website using Prestige theme. Make sure you have already purchased this theme, then you can reach us out and I will help you out in customizing this theme. Okay, let's scroll down and move to the next part, which is countdown timer, which I have already explained about, but it has pretty some more options. Like here, we are able to add this uh, background image. The background image has been added. We are able to change this heading, subheading, paragraph button. All these settings are customizable very easily from here. And where we are able to adjust the expiration time, which is 2035, which is pretty late. You can set it according to your business requirements and some of the color settings. Okay, scroll down. There is an option for multiple media text. Basically, the text is showing at the left side and your brand images will show at the right side. Okay, so there are two images right now. Let me add any image for an instance. Let's select this one. And for the second image, let's add uh, this one. Okay, so two images has been added. You can embed the images or you can plug and play with it to make a best uh, layout according to your business requirements. And if I click on this, I am able to change its color, add this animation effect, and scroll down. There is an option to change its alignment, change this subheading and change this heading and then the content all from the right side. And then finally, we are able to change this and discover button text and its link. Add another button option is available as well. So let's scroll down. What's next section? It's a very good section which is called choose your color. If your product has two colors, we are able to change it. So let me select this one. Or if you have two products and you want to show the before and after, this section is for you. You can add the before image over here and the after image over here. So at first there is a pretty proper setting, like you can set the settings, heading, subheading, which I have already explained. And this before image, just let me select the image. So for instance, this is an image and the after image. You can select this one. You can use it for the two variation of the product, or you can use it. Let me change this one. I have added the same image. Let's select this one and hit the done button. Now the same product with two colors has been added and displayed, and we are able to assign its link. Change this text like after. You can change it second color or some any other text. You can add it over here, and this is the button text like shop now, and you can change its link or add its link at the bottom. Here you are able to change the style of the button, like you want to show the solid button or the outline button. And similarly, you can customize this before section from this part. So let's move further to the next section, which is called uh, this one, image with text form. Let's move on in the demo website. So this is the section. Uh, you see, the images have been added at left, but text is scrolling at the right side with a nice background. So let's head over to this section. This is image with text scroll. Firstly, we have to add the background image. I have already downloaded here. So simply add it. And here we are able to change the profile background image. You can keep it the desktop image as well. So right now the desktop image is showing in the background. This one. Okay, so let's move back to the desktop version. This is the desktop version. And if I scroll down, there is an option for some alignment, like if you want to show the images at right, I will keep it left because our demo is showing it at left. Okay, so this is there is an option for to add the image. So just add the image. So this is our first image. We are able to change its text like number one, the design, and then its content, and then the button, and it's super easy. And similarly, this is another one. Let me just add another image to show you that how will it work. Okay, so for an instance, let's select this image. Okay, so this image has been added and the images are changing at left and text is scrolling at the right side. So pretty easy to manage and assign links and add buttons according to your business requirements. Now let's head over to the next section, which is blog post. From here, we are able to change the style of the blog post. Like we are able to show two posts, three posts according to the blog. I have not added any blog. That's why it's not showing nothing. You can add the blog and then it will start showing over here. From here, we are able to change its number of posts as we want. So if you want to stack the post, right now it's showing like on the mobile version, it's showing like this one in carousel way. But if you want to stack the post, simply enable this option, then it will show in a stacked way. But it's suggested to show it in a browser way. This way, it will save space and will not make your homepage super lengthy. So let's switch back to the desktop versions. And from here, let's move further. Here are some other settings that you want to show the date, the Excel or show date mode button. This is if you have added any block, you can simply customize it. Scroll down, there is an option to change this subheading, this heading, and then this button with a link to our complete blog post. Okay, so this is a easy way to customize it. So let's move to the another section, which is called feature product section. Here we are able to assign our product. It is our main product. We can assign its link from the top. Select any product. Let us select the bag. Okay, so just select this one. For example, this is our best selling product, or we are having a sale on the week, or with some product of the week. We can assign it, and from here, we are able to assign this section width. Like if I set it to full width, the width gets increased. And this is asking for the width of the product info. If I increase it, this section width gets increased and the product media will get shorter. So let's run it back. And if I scroll down, there is an option for the media browser. Like if you have more images, for now, I only have one image. But if I move this version, it also the demo website also have one image. So let's go over here. If you have more images, it will start showing over here, and you can make adjustments. I with these settings like media settings, you are able to show the dots like for of the demo website. In dots are fine. If I click on this dots, it shows. And here we are able to make adjustments of on this. Like we are able to adjust it with dots. We are able to show the thumbnail bottom, like all these images will show in the thumbnail images, like small images at bottom of this main grid image. So it's pretty easy to manage or change it. If I scroll down, it's asking for the subheading, the product of the week, all these settings as can be customizable from this one. These are some other settings which is called the bed, title, price, payment installments. I will explain it when I will teach you the product page customization. So leave it for now and let's scroll to the next section, which is called image with text block. It is pretty same like the section we have customized previously. We are able to add the image, the text change, assign the file image, make the alignments like for that field is small. If we enable this, it will add the parallax effect, like the images are fixed at the background, but the website is scrolling. Very nice effect. So from here, we have an option to change the subheading, paragraph, and the liquid. In this testimonial section, we super easy to customize. We can change the heading, subheading similarly as other sections, and then can add reviews of our customers over here. And if you have any face image of the reviewer, you can add it. For instance, let me add this one, and you can write its review over here. Similarly, for all other three testimonials, or you can add any testimonials according to your uh, requirement. Let me duplicate it. So, whose review is displayed over here? Its image is shown at the bottom of the review. So, let's scroll down. It's another section which is called timeline section. And this is the peanut section. But peanut part where you are able to adjust its color. So, 2013, 2014, 2013 settings can be customizable from here. Images, image will show over here, headings at the content section. All can be customized at the right side. And this is 2014, this part, then the 2015, and then 2017. Super easy to customize from the right side one by one. For 2013, one by one for the 2014, and then for the 2015, and then 2017. If you need any confusion, just leave a comment below and I will help you out. And now this is the same section which I have explained at the top. So leave it. Okay, so the next section is called the multi-column section. If I click on it, its customization settings will get open at right side. And on this demo website, if I scroll down, this is the multi-column website, like the image and the text will show at under it. Okay, so let's customize it. We are able to change its color scheme. And from here, we are able to adjust its column width. Like two columns which show, and if I set it to three, it will show three columns. If I enable this option, this will stacks the column in this way. And if I scroll down some alignment options, like the text will show left align, right align, some spacing, and from here we are able to adjust the subheading and the heading. Let's head over to this image with text. Let's add this one for an instance, and its text and the content will added at over here. And here we can also add a button. You can adjust it according to your business requirement. Okay, it's asking for adding a link. Let's add a blank link over here and then write a text over here. So it adds a link over here. Similarly, we can add it for the second one. Let me add this one and its text and the images will show over here. Similarly for this third one. Keep in mind that the image height should be same for all these three so that it will look aligned just like this on the demo website. So let's scroll down to the second last section, which is called sliding part. Here we are able to add the image. Let me add this image. Okay, so the image will show on the background, and here we are able to show the images now for the mobiles having some content settings and the footer text. If I scroll down, it's the last section before the footer is called this about the text with icon, which is in the footer group. So click on it, and here we are able to make adjustment like which icon do you want to show and which color icon do you want to display. So if I select this one, all the icon will turn to red. And let me switch it back to the back one. And let's customize the first version. You are also able to upload your icon, trust icon. Basically, this section helps in building trust to your customer. So you can assign any of the section. For an instance, let's head over to this the demo website. They have written like added the box delivery box. So let's select the delivery box. A delivery box has been added. From here, you are able to change its heading. Let's copy this one. And from here, you are able to add this property. Okay, so it has been added. If you want to increase the width of the logo, you can change the width from here. For the mobile version, you can change the width from here as well. If you want to change the alignments, you can change the alignments from here. Okay, so let's move to the last part of our homepage customization of Prestige, which is called footer theme. So let's click on this footer, and here we are able to change its color. Okay, from here we are able to enable this border, show the power. I always suggest my clients to disable this option because the website belongs to you. It's not belongs to Shopify. So disable this. You are able to show the payment icons, some settings, global settings, all the options enable. Just give it default. Here you are able to add the newsletter and change its setting from here, and then the link you can change the menu settings over here. Like let me assign another menu. For an instance, let's assign the main menu over here. So the main menu will get listed out here. And if I click on this text, we are able to add our brand text over here. And if you want to add one more link menu, simply click on this link. It will add another link menu, which you can change it from here as well. And if you want to change its title, just like for an instance, let me write quick links. So it will change my title to quick links. So this is a pretty easy, super easy way. I have explained it just like a complete beginner how you are able to customize the Prestige theme using your web products. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And let's now move to the next section, which is called the product page customization. Once we are done with the home page, what we have to do is we have to click on this link, then click on this products. Once click on it, it will show the option for default product. Simply select this one and it will open the product. From here, we are able to change the product. Let's select the bag for now. Let me select any bag product. So it has image, the description, title, the vendor, the price, all settings can be customizable from the left side. From the left side, like this, from here we are able to make settings. So simply right now click on this product page. It opens settings at the right side. From here we are able to change the color scheme. Let's switch back to white version, which is very nice. And if I allow this transparent header, it will make the header transparent and our product will show in the background, which is for now not looking good. Let me switch back to its and disable this option. And from here, we are able to adjust the section width as I explained earlier. If I increase this one, it will increase the width of this info section. Let me switch back to the default one. And if I scroll down, there is an option, some options like show sticky add to card and show basic info on mobile. These are pretty easy to manage. If I scroll down, there is an option for the desktop media layout. If you have more products, like more product images, for instance, I only have one image for now, but if you have more images, you can adjust its thumbnail positioning, like you want to show it's to dot, thumbnail, left, bottom, all settings can be customizable from here. If you scroll down, there is an option for adding a gap, showing dots, thumbnails, or free scroll effect. If I there is an option for a video I added over on your main media, it will autoplay the video on this part. Okay, and there is an option to add blocks. Right now, what we see the vendor name at this is Ecomrax, the vendor name. You can change it within the product. Like for instance, this is our product, and if I open any product, let me open this one. There is an option to change its vendor. Let's scroll down. There is an option to change its vendor. So you can simply write your brand name at here. Okay, let's go back. Then what shows next is title. From here, we can adjust its style. Like if you want to make it big, simply set it to H1. It will make it. So let's keep it default. From here, we can are able to show the text notices, or we can disable it. And there is an option for payment installment. Some settings that you can manage it from this settings part. We have to move to the Shopify settings and then head over to this general setting. This is not the topic of the video, so you can watch my payment video. There you can find this, or you can reach me out. I will help you with setting up the payments. If you scroll down, there is an option for the separator. Like this separator is added, and then the description. This is the description. If I set this to collapse collapse content, it will add recording. Like if I click on it, it will open that description. So just keep the default settings, and then an option for the variant picker, the quantity selector. This is the quantity selector. I can update it, and then the buy buttons. From here, I am able to disable this buy it now button and only show the character card button. Some color settings all are pretty easy to manage or change it. If I scroll down, there is an option for related products. So it helps in increasing the average order value. You can add some options like changing its color, uh, disabling this border or enabling it, and scroll down an option for the horizontal spacing, the vertical spacing, the heading, the subheading, and it is pretty easy, super easy to change it yourself. Once we are done with the product page, what we have to do, we have to customize the collection page. So let's have to head over to the collection settings and then click on this default collection button, and it will open up the collection page. From here, we have two options like the filter or the availability price settings are showing at left. We are able to disable it. Simply click on this collection page, and then there is an option for disabling it, like show filters. If you do not want to show filters, simply disable it, and it will remove all those settings that are showing previously okay. And you are able to adjust the grid size. Okay, from here you are able to adjust the grid size or number of the product you want to show. If you only want to show like 8 products, then it will show only 8 products per page. So it's pretty easy to manage. If you need any help, you can ask for it and I will help you out. From here, you are able to disable this sort by button, show products you search. If you do not need any of this, just want to keep it simple. So just keep it simple and disable all these settings. From here, you are able to customize the number of rows shows on the mobile version. If I select it to one, it will show one product per row. Okay, so this is pretty easy to manage. Okay, let me scroll back and explain this one more feature that your customer will see. Customers are able to see the grid size. This is the grid size. Customer are able to make this grid, or keep this grid. If you want to disable it, just disable it, and by default, this grid will show to all the customers. If I scroll down, there is an option for filtering, which I already told you. And then if I click on this theme settings, it will further reveal some very good other options. Like when I hover on the product image, it will show this quick buy button. We are able to disable it from this. Like if I disable it, it will not show this quick buy button. Okay, so now it will, the quick buy button is not showing, but it's just to keep it on. So once this button is clicked, it will add the products to the cart. If I scroll down, there is an option for showing the color variants. Like if you have products with a lot of colors, it will start showing under it over here. And then there is another option like for setting up the image size. If I set it to like all 2 ratios by 3 field card, it will make the images tall. So you can plug and play with these settings to make it according to your business requirements. Once we are done customizing the selection page, there are pretty other things like you can customize your cart page from here. Like, and here you are able to change its color scheme, show cart note, allow discount application, some of the options that you can easily handle yourself. Okay, so once click on it, and there is the page called the contact page. This is the contact page. You are able to add some of the sections, like you can add featured product section so that the customer might like your product. Simply add a section, this section, add collection to it. I already told you once we are customizing the home page, so it has been added. So you can easily manage this contact page yourself. And if I click on it from here, we are able to change this default flow settings. Phone to get opened. I do not have any purpose, so that's why it's showing empty. Anyways, at right side, we are able to make its adjustment. And if I click on it, there is an option to customize it. Blog post. I do not have any blog post. So it's pretty easy to change the blog post settings if you have any blogs. So this was the quick tutorial on how you will be able to customize the Prestige theme. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.